Something real interesting just happened. One of my craftsmen came back to the shop and he had a little piece of soffit in his hands, and it's kind of an interesting story. So I thought you at home should hear about this, because a lot of homeowners run into a situation where they have a custom piece of siding that gets broken, and they don't know what to do. They don't need all new siding, they don't need all new soffits, but they don't know who to call to get it fixed. So Ben, tell me the story of what happened here.
Well, in a windstorm, this guy's soffit got caught up in the wind and got ripped off his house, tore it all apart. So I got the one little piece that I could here to bring back to make a form out of, basically. And you can't just order this piece pre-made. You have to make it yourself, and Home Depot, Lowe's, none of them places actually sell something that look like this.
Okay, so you're going to make this custom?
Yes.
All right, show us how to do it. Let's go.
All right. Laid out now. We've got it set in our brake. We're going to clamp it down and make our first bend to make our piece. Alright, and here we are making our last bend right there. Okay, unclamp it. And then there is our new custom piece of soffit to match the part for his house. Go put that on and he'll be ready to go. Okay, here we are at our client's house. We're getting ready to go up on the ladder here and put our new piece up. Let's go up there. We're going to make sure there's no nails in the way. We're going to run a bead of caulk down it to make sure it sticks real good, and then we'll nail it up.
Just in time for ice cream.
Alright, and here we are with our finished product. We've got our custom piece of siding put back up, and everything is sealed back up, and he is good to go again.
Well, I hope you liked that video. This was done by one of our interns, John here. This was his very first video, so let's hear it for him. In fact, I'm going to give him a little Running Man award. So here you go, John. Great job on your very first video.